Why, hello there. Today we're in Dawsonville at an abandoned Popeyes.
Everything's still up.
Yeah, exactly. Even all the advertisements and everything up in...
Road sign. And they also have a surprise around the corner, too.
Yeah. Imagine that. You're like, oh, you see all these advertisements. 5, 10, 20. Oh, it's so good. And then you come over, oh, for Louisiana, darn it.
Darn.
Yeah, it's just exactly the same.
Actually, the same before I left, whenever the week before.
I have a feeling they just got, I have a feeling they got like evicted or something.
Yeah.
That's...
I think it was like the health inspector, like they reused their grease.
Yeah, so...
The health inspector probably closed them down.
Oh, it might be high.
Oof.
What's this place in Beehive?
You can really see, like, right here, you can see where it says Louisiana Kitchen.
Yeah, you're right.
Still got all the kitchen stuff and everything.
They do?
Yeah, right here.
Oh my gosh. You think they'd sell that off or something?
Like, auction, like, a lot of this.
Like they took the TVs for the menus down, but then there's still that one they could have auctioned off.
No, they stuck out the Coca-Cola machine.
Yeah, the Coca-Cola machine.
Yeah.
Which way?
I
don't know. Well, it's like half the businesses that close, they leave everything in there, and you'd think if you auctioned off everything and you scrapped all the signs, you'd make enough money to probably pay next rent.
And they're hiring too.
Oh yeah, they're hiring too.
Open interviews.
Oh, okay. Open interviews? Nope.
Oh.
It's a key lock open. Nope. Hours. Well, what is today? It's Friday. We can't tell. So we can't make that joke. Do not enter the store. Camera in use by law.
Camera in use by law.
It's like, do not enter.
It's trash can.
Upside down trash.
Yeah.
Speaking of trash, I can see a bunch of crap in there.
Yeah. And there you go.
Yeah.
Menu board. Apple pie.
Actually, they do have power.
Yeah, they do have power.
Not much, but some. The menu.
Menu.
I could see someone standing in the, like driving in the drive-thru for like hours, just waiting for someone to respond to their
Hello.
order. Come on.
I want my chicken.
I want my taco chicken. I mean, look, it's just, I've never even seen that order machine before like that.
Mm-mm.
Mine don't have that. The ladder's unlocked, but the bottom portion's been taken off. If they won't take our order, we'll just come up here to the window.
Yeah. Ooh, oh, I thought I stepped on something, but it's just pine cone.
Well, there you go.
Hello.
Yep, there you go. Public health.
Yep.
I mean, I guess they got an A, but
94. Starting Monday, April 15th, extra sauce will be 25 cents.
it's like they just keep that up there. Oh, but we're closed.
The windows are all big and dusty.
I guess the menus are still up, the TVs.
It's just not.
They're just not on.
No.
I mean, I don't know why they would be. Drive-thru is locked.
Stanley Security Services.
Really imagine if one of the drive-thrus came open, because I won't be crawling through there. Just dive in.
Same thing on this side. You can't see the Friday hours.
What's it? Aren't open Friday?
Guess they were open as long as they wanted on Fridays.
I guess so. It's just 0 o'clock.
0 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock.
0 o'clock. I guess we cannot enter by law, so. Get my finger in the way. These places actually auctioned off everything that they had it.
Or like send it to like another Popeyes or something.
Well, yeah. I mean, if they could auction that or just give them to the other stores. But
Another upside down trash can.
what the? Is there something like under there that we don't want to know? Oh, it's empty.
Red beans and rice.
Red beans and rice.
I don't know. There's just a bunch of spider webs.
All the signs are still up after like what, a year?
Like early last year, about like summer of last year.
See, those could be scrapped for metal and lights that we reused.
Yeah.
But nope, they're just gonna leave them up.
Mhm.
That's gonna do it. We're here at the abandoned Popeyes. We're in Dawsonville. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big smack and daggum like. Subscribe down below. And also subscribe to MAT Adventure. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Always remember to keep on shopping. But in this case, chow down on those delicious Popeyes biscuits. Yes.